I made over $26 trading on this small $11 account using my master prompt. Also, I made over $72 trading on this $50 account using this Gemini setup I'm going to show in this video. Let me even blow your mind. One of my students also did that using the master prompt and $4 account, pushing it to $10. Because of this, I'm going to be starting a live stream in this channel where I'm going to be using my $100 account to trade it till when it reach $10,000 using this master prompt and the setup I'm going to show in this video. So what you are going to simply do now is to stay in this video till the end for you to see the step-by-step processes on how you can actually set this master prompt and also set up your Forex account using Exness. Is to go over to your Google Gemini Pro to open it, and second thing you are going to do is to go and get the master prompt. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys on how you can actually get the master prompt along this video, so watch it to the end and then go over to my Gemini to paste that. So when I paste that, I'm going to send it, and immediately Gemini will assess it and be able to ask you several questions which you are going to answer. I'm going to explain a bit of it for you to get it. So the first question it will ask you is, what market are you trading on? We are trading on Forex market using our Exness account. So the second thing it will ask you is, what trading pair are you trading or assets you are trading on? So we are going to be trading on whatever one you want to trade. But for me, I usually trade on gold because gold is... So number 3, what time frame are you trading on? We are trading on 5 minutes or 11 or 15 minutes time frame. Also depending on what you want to trade with your master prompt. So the next one is, what is your current account size? So we are going to be putting $100 because that is what we are going to be using in our live trading. So the next thing you to ask you is, how much do you want to risk? So this part you can choose to risk $1, $2, $3 depending on how much you want to be risking per trade. But me, I'm going to actually show you what you are going to write so that this exact Gemini will pick out the one best for your account. So the next question is, what is your trading style do you want? Okay, so the next question is, what trading style do you use? So I do use scalping, but you can choose day trading or swing trading. Swing trading is when you are going to hold a trade for over 1 to 2 or 3 months or whatever. Or even day trade is when your trade can last for a day or 2. While scalping is when you are going to be trading in minutes, hours or so. So in the next question is, what is your current time location? So that's also what you are going to provide. So right now, let me write it in. Right now, the next question is, what is your time location? What you are going to simply do is to go and search in Google. So right here in Google, I'm going to search in, what is my time location, and Google will provide that. So right here, I'm going to simply paste it and then send. Try to follow this step because it's very important in your trading. So guys, you are going to see right here that the setup is now being setted. So you are going to see the account balance is $100 and it will be on active phase, which is phase 1. If you are using $500, it will be in phase 2. Depending on that, and it will provide you the lot size you want and all. So right here is the place you are going to see what it will be telling you based on the decision you are going to provide. So right now, our Gemini Pro is now being setted using our master prompt. Now let's move into the next stage. The next stage is where we are going to be setting up our Forex market or Forex trading account. I'm using MetaTrader 5 and I'm using Exness as the broker. So let me show you how to set it up right now. So first thing you're going to simply do is to go to your Play Store to download Meta 5, and this is my Meta 5 right now. And right here, this is the chart right here, the way it will look. Let me show you how you can set this up. So if you eventually download this, it will be on demo account. Okay, so what you are going to simply do is to tap in this icon right here where it says select, where it says manage. Then you select manage, then click on the plus icon. So this is the way this page will look like. So you can see Exness technology Meta 5 quotes, which is the demo account. So after you have opened this, what you are going to do next is to go over to your Exness. Try to also download Exness account using the link in the description. so that you can get it right. So right now I've opened my Exness account, and this is what I have in my Exness account. I have $101, which is the one we are going to be using for this challenge. This is the second account right here. So you can see this is my second account, the one I pushed this money from $15 to $21. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to switch back to the $100 account. So when you have switched back to that, what you are going to do to link your Exness into the MetaTrader 5 is to click on this setting. But remember, when you are clicking on this, try to register on your Exness and fund it. If you don't know how to fund, check on YouTube, you are going to see how to do it. So when you have opened the settings, you are going to see the place that say login. I'm going to close some certain things here because it's very important and it's my account protection. So you're going to see login, server, and change password. First of all, click on change password to change your password. Set it to your preferable password. So when you have set it now, what you are going to do next is to copy the place that says server. Then when you copy server, then go back to your MetaTrader 5 and then searching that on there. So you are going to see Exness MT Rio 21 and 27. So tap on it right here. It will show this in the screen where you are going to actually put in your login and your password, which I'm going to do. When you successfully log in your account, this is the way it will show right here. So what you are going to now do is to now go back to your database. So when you go back to your database, simply tap on here for you to see your account being signed in. This account is signing on my iPhone, so that's the reason why I sign it on my Android. Okay, so what I'm going to now do is to implement every strategy, moving average, convergent, divergent, and other settings I'm going to actually show. But before I proceed to that, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So right now, this is the way it will look like. So what you are going to do now is to import the trading pair you want to trade with. So to import that is to click on the plus icon and then search in any particular trading pair. Let's say USD JPY. So this is USD JPY. Simply click on the plus icon to import that, or you can actually search in SAU. That's good, USD. So this is it. You can actually click on that plus icon to also import that in your database. So when you have imported it right here, you are going to see it among the list right here, which you are going to see right here. So when you tap on it, it will show you charts, order, new order, and all. So what you are going to do next is to click on the place that says charts. So when you click on charts right here, this is the way your charts will actually looks like. And if you look up here, you will see that it looks like this have changed to what it is not. So what you are going to simply do is to then click on it and then select it on your trading pair you want. So I have selected it on my trading pair I want. So I'm going to also verify something. If I click on this place, let me also check whether is it okay. It's still on USD, SUD, and that. So right now the surface have getting ready, but if you want to keep your account like a professional, there are some certain stage or certain settings you are going to put, but that will be done on our live video so that you will be seeing it when I do it. But right now, let me show you then how you can actually trade, because those inputs you will set here have already been set on the master plot. So now this is your account and how it will look like. What you are going to do now is to screenshot your interface of what is trading, and then you can then go over to your Gemini to upload that to your master prompt. So I'm going to upload it right here. You should do it very fast so that you will not get below them. So when you upload that, send it to your Gemini and it will process the trading and then tell you the particular stop loss, your take profit, and your entering, when you are going to enter, and also the reason for it. So right here, this is what it is now doing. It's now analyzing the market algorithm to be able to justify what we are going to do right now. Remember, this video is for setup. It's not like we are trading immediately. In the live video is when we are going to trade. So right now it says wait for market structure shifts, no immediate touch. So let me just show you a few things you are going to see right here. So the first thing you are going to see is it says that in this trading we are going to be at least trading with $2 per trade, okay, because of what is $100 I'm using. That's over 2% of my account size. So up here, if you go up here, which I'm going to also show you guys on how to do that, if you go up here where you are going to see active order execution buy, this is buy, but the initial result is telling you to wait because it had to be able to verify the entry before it will tell you to buy. So what you are going to do after you send this, in 1 minute also screenshot your trading chart and send it again. But let me just talk about a few things. So the entering position is this. I'm going to also show you how to identify that in this video. The stop loss is this, which is 4,101. This is the stop loss, and the take profit is $4,040. So this is everything. Change is immediate loss size is this. Estimated risk to reward ratio is 1:2.0. So this is it right now. What I'm going to do is to simply copy the each one you want. This is which is this one, and what you are going to then do is to go back to your trading fix. Then go over to this place. When you go over to this place, you can simply click on your balance right here and tap on this right here. So when you tap on this, it will take you to this page. This is the place where you are going to execute your order, limit entry and all. So in this place that say SL is where you are going to put in the stop loss the trade I've given to you. While the TP is where you are going to put in your take profit, which is when your trade is going in favor of you, it will automatically take the profit. So right now, since he said us to put in stop loss right here, we can put it in right here, the one we copied, okay? Then we can also go back to copy the other one, which is this. This is the another one we'll copy. You can simply go back to XL to also copy that and paste, okay? And also come here to also paste that. But right now, it have not given us any execute order. So let me also show you something. So when you come over here, you are going to see it says 4,104.10. So if you go over here now, you are going to see that this is 4,000. You can be seeing what is shining green here. I'm going to use something to circle it. 4,017.12. You see it right here. This is what it is showing. Why on this one, which is the buy side, this one is the sell side, this one is the buy side, it is showing 4,170 something and executing of sell. So this is when it said we should set in our profit. So if you tap a copy on this thing right now, then you go back to this place to write it 4,000, let's say 4,100 and what. I'm showing you an example. I'm not entering any trade yet, so I'm showing you an example 0.0001 points. But if you are using iPhone, you can copy it and paste. I don't know why my phone sometimes it will copy, sometimes it will not copy. No, Android people when they use Android, you know, they suffer. So right now I'll set this as the take profit, and also right here you can also remove this to set it as this one is take stop loss, and take profit is, let's check our take profit. This is should be fast. I'm just saying because of we are still learning it. So take profit is at 4,140.00. So you can come over here and set in 4,040.00. You are seeing that you are setting the set profit. So now what you are going to observe, since you are entering on buy or you are entering on sell, observe this exact place, that this one, the second one in the right hand, observe it to know whether it is correlating with the entry point. If it's correlating with 4,014.00, 4,014.010, so it is, if it's 4,014 points, if it's in 4,014, right now it's in 4,017 points. So if it's in 4,014 points, then you buy. Instead we buy it at that time, by now we're supposed to even they see some profits in there. But let me also show you something. Let's also screenshot and see whether we can place any particular trade in this video. So right now I'm going to come over here again to actually upload the screenshots. So when I also send it right here, it also calculates my account balance, my size of my account, also do some calculation. You can see the V energy something. So it's also say wait for the M5 candle close to confirmation reverse structure. Okay, now you have heard about something that called M5. I'm going to also show you guys that, but right now it have not given us any trade yet. Why? Because it's still analyzing the market. So it's not something you are going to just rush in, because if you rush in, they go rush you. Gold go rush you, like so they go just rush you. They go rush your money. That's what I mean. So right now, if you come over here, it says about something about M5. M5 it means 5 minutes trade. M15 means 15 minutes trade. This is how you are going to see it. So if you see up here, you are going to see the one that say M5. If you tap on it right, you're going to see where it says M1, M5, M15, M30, H1, which is 1 hour, 4 hours, day 1, 1 week, and all. So right now you can simply select the exact execution order. So one of my friend that is using my master pro is trading now. I'm going to also show you guys his store. So right now you are going to click on M5. M5 is this. M1 is this, which is 1 minute trade. M2 is this, which is M5 is this, which is 5 minutes trade, and so on and so forth. That's the way you can actually paste on to know the exact time frame you are trading on. Okay, so that's what it dictated right here. So right now, what you are going to also do is now to also observe the market and also screenshot again. Don't worry, you have a lot of screenshot on your phone, because that will be a very proof that you trade Forex and you use my master prompts. And when police stop you or EFCC stop you, you show them proof that see when they suffer, they enter trade. I know they, you know, with this they will be able to say, oh, there is proof. You are keeping proof, not like writing it in your paper or whatever. So right now we are also seeing this. They say the US market have closed. You can see the red right here. So we are not going to enter any trade today, because I know that we are not going to enter, and I should have entered trade today because of rain. I couldn't start the video on time, but you can actually see this is my student and this is what he's doing on his account. So when the video will be done is when we start our live stream this week. Our live stream will be massive. It will be crazy, because if you actually start right now to start trading with me, you are going to benefit a lot from that. Now, let's talk about how can you get the master prompt. By using the link in my description, it will take you to my seller account where you are going to get this master prompt. And this master prompt is not for free. It's selling at 10,000 naira. And we usually update this master prompt every 2 days. So when you buy it right now, you are going to be getting it for free whenever we update it. And remember, this master prompt can increase in price in future. So have that in mind. The earlier the better. The more you buy it right now, the more you are going to be opportune to be able to do what? To start using it when we have, because we are going to be trading live. And imagine joining me right now in this live. Let's say that I'm starting with $100 and I'm trading it to $1,000, $10,000. I've been able to reach that $10,000. Imagine starting with me that day using the master prompt, and you are using $10 and I'm using $100. If I've been able to hit $1,000, you that is trading with me and using the master prompt will be able to hit $100 from $10. If I've been able to hit from $1,000 to $10,000, you that is watching me will be from $100 to $1,000. So that's the way growth is. Before you know it, you have mastered it, and the master prompt will be giving you one of the best stuff you can ever see. And not only that, you can actually get this maximum result using Gemini Pro, and I also sell that in a cheaper rate. Check out the link Check out the link in the description to get that.